Micron Technology is building a cutting-edge factory in Hiroshima, Japan, producing some of the world's most advanced memory chips for AI. This major investment signals Japan's resurgence as a semiconductor powerhouse. The focus is on high-bandwidth memory, the backbone of next-generation AI systems. For Hiroshima, this marks a new era of technological strength and global relevance. The future of AI will, in part, be built in Hiroshima. The scale of Micron's Hiroshima project is staggering, up to 800 billion yen, or about $5.3 billion. This is one of Micron's largest investments ever, funding a state-of-the-art facility with the latest manufacturing tech. Extreme ultraviolet lithography machines will be installed, enabling the production of the most advanced chips. Such a huge investment signals Micron's confidence in the future of HBM chips. But Micron isn't going it alone. The Japanese government is backing the project with up to 192 billion yen in subsidies. These subsidies reduce risk for Micron and make Japan a more attractive manufacturing base. It's part of Japan's broader push to secure its own semiconductor supply and revive its domestic chip industry. Combined, the investment and subsidies approach nearly 1 trillion yen, about $6.6 billion. This will transform Hiroshima into a world-class production hub, creating thousands of high-skilled jobs. The economic impact will ripple through local and national economies. This isn't just a factory, it's a new pillar for Japan's technological future, built on public and private capital. Semiconductor manufacturing is one of the world's most expensive industries, requiring relentless R&D and precision. The Micron-Japan partnership shows both sides understand the stakes and are willing to invest billions to lead the next wave of innovation. The facility will set new standards for chip production. It's a bold bet on the future of AI and advanced technology. The collaboration is a model for how nations and companies can work together to secure critical industries. This is what it takes to compete at the highest level in tech. What makes these chips so valuable? The answer is high bandwidth memory, or HBM. HBM is like supercharged RAM, stacked vertically for ultra-fast data transfer. This design turns a narrow road into a data superhighway, perfect for AI's massive data needs. AI models, especially large language models, require lightning-fast access to huge data sets. Standard memory can't keep up. HBM eliminates bottlenecks, feeding data to powerful processors like NVIDIA's GPUs. Without HBM, today's AI breakthroughs wouldn't be possible. Data centers, the backbone of the cloud and AI, rely on HBM for speed and efficiency. As AI adoption grows, so does the demand for HBM-powered servers. Micron's new plant will help build the next generation of data centers, enabling faster cloud computing and more powerful AI services. HBM's importance goes beyond AI. It's vital for scientific research, financial modeling, and advanced graphics. By focusing on HBM, Micron is betting on the future of high-performance computing. The demand for faster, more efficient data processing is only increasing. HBM is the technology that will meet that demand, making it a strategic asset in the electronics industry. Micron's Hiroshima plant will be at the heart of this transformation. The chips made here will power innovations we haven't even imagined yet. This is the fuel for the AI revolution. And it all starts with advanced memory. Micron's project is just one part of Japan's ambitious plan to reclaim its semiconductor leadership. Once a global chip giant, Japan lost ground to rivals in Korea, Taiwan, and the US. Now, the government is determined to reverse that decline. Billions in subsidies and incentives are being used to attract foreign chip makers and rebuild domestic capabilities. Partnering with companies like Micron gives Japan quick access to cutting-edge tech and expertise. The goal? Bring advanced manufacturing back to Japanese soil and secure a stable chip supply. This strategy isn't just about foreign investment, it's about revitalizing Japan's entire tech ecosystem. Local suppliers, equipment makers, and material producers all benefit from the influx of major projects. New fabs mean more high-skilled jobs and investment in education and training. The aim is a self-sustaining cycle of innovation, where foreign investment sparks domestic growth. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the risks of fragile supply chains. Japan wants resilience. By hosting leading-edge fabs, Japan reduces dependence on other countries and gains control over its tech future. That's why the government is willing to spend billions on projects like Micron's. It's an investment in economic security and technological sovereignty. Japan is betting big on chips, and the world is watching. The stakes couldn't be higher. Micron isn't alone. Japan is fast becoming a global chip hub. TSMC, the world's top contract chipmaker, is building a massive factory in Kumamoto, partnering with Sony and Denso. This plant will focus on chips for cars and electronics, backed by major government support. Meanwhile, Rapidus, a new Japanese company, aims to mass-produce the world's most advanced chips by 2027, with help from IBM. These projects complement each other. Micron specializes in memory, TSMC in logic chips, Rapidus at the cutting edge. Together, they create a diverse, resilient semiconductor ecosystem within Japan. Regional tech clusters are forming, attracting talent, suppliers, and more investment. This Silicon Island revival is transforming regions like Kyushu and Hiroshima. Japan's strengths, skilled workforce, infrastructure, and government backing are paying off. Micron's project is part of a larger trend reshaping the global chip industry. Japan is re-establishing itself as a central player in semiconductors. The momentum is undeniable. Micron's move to Japan is also a smart geopolitical play. Most advanced chips are made in Taiwan, a region facing constant political tension with China. This concentration is risky. Any disruption could shake the global tech supply chain. Companies and governments are pushing for Taiwan plus one, building capacity in stable locations like Japan. Japan's alliance with the US and its political stability make it the ideal choice. The US and EU are also investing billions to diversify chip production. Micron's Hiroshima plant fits perfectly into this global strategy. It reduces risk, strengthens supply chains, and brings Micron closer to key Japanese customers. Proximity to Japan's electronics and automotive giants enables closer collaboration and innovation. This isn't just about risk management, it's about seizing new business opportunities. By expanding in Japan, Micron is positioning itself for growth in a changing world. The move is both defensive and offensive. It's a blueprint for the future of global tech. The HBM market is booming, and competition is fierce. Micron's main rival is SK Hynix, the current HBM leader and a key NVIDIA supplier. Samsung, the world's largest memory maker, is also racing to catch up. All three are pushing to develop the next-gen HBM4 chips. The winner will capture a huge share of the AI market. Micron's Hiroshima plant, with cutting-edge EUV tech, is its answer to this challenge. Mastering EUV for memory could give Micron a crucial edge in performance and efficiency. This isn't just about capacity, it's about leapfrogging the competition. The race drives innovation, ensuring better, faster, and more affordable chips. For Micron, flawless execution in Hiroshima is essential. The outcome will shape the future of AI and the semiconductor industry. The stakes have never been higher. The Micron-Japan partnership is a win-win. Micron gains subsidies, a stable environment, and access to Japan's skilled workforce and industrial ecosystem. This diversification reduces reliance on Taiwan and strengthens Micron's global position. Proximity to Japanese suppliers and customers fosters collaboration and innovation. The Hiroshima plant will be a global center for HBM R&D, cementing Micron's tech leadership. For Japan, it's a vote of confidence in its semiconductor revival strategy. The project brings advanced manufacturing home, boosting economic security and creating thousands of high-quality jobs. Japan becomes a more trusted, indispensable player in the global tech supply chain. Success will attract more investment, fueling a cycle of growth. Together, Micron and Japan are building a foundation for the future of technology. Micron's Hiroshima investment is more than a corporate win, it's a global milestone. AI is transforming every industry, and that progress depends on a steady supply of advanced chips like HBM. The new plant will help meet soaring global demand, preventing shortages that could stall innovation. More HBM means more access for researchers and companies to build the next generation of AI tools. This accelerates progress and helps solve global challenges. The project also strengthens the world's tech supply chain, reducing vulnerability to regional disruptions. Geographic diversification makes the system more robust for everyone. The Micron-Japan partnership is a landmark event, driving innovation, security, and prosperity. These chips will power tomorrow's data centers and supercomputers. It's proof that strategic partnerships can shape the future. The AI revolution will be built, in part, in Hiroshima. The world is watching and benefiting.